this on the patient. Alright. Are you ready? Alright. So your patient asks her to just lie back a bit, slant with the head slanting to the back. Alright. Then you place the mask around the head and make sure the mouthpiece is right at the mouth. Alright. Okay, you need to move back a bit so I can see. Alright, okay. Alright. Once you're ready, make sure that the bottle is horizontal so that all the medication can go straight into the lungs. Once you're ready, use your palm, put it into the hole, and then you just press one time and ask the patient to breathe in and out 1, in and out 2, in and out 3, in and out 4, in and out 5. And then after that, you press another time and do the same thing. In and out 1, in and out 2 until 5. Alright? After that, you remove the mask from the patient, alright, and rest for 20 minutes. So it depends on how many puffs you want to do. Okay? After 4 to 10 puffs, you can remove and rest for 20 minutes, and then you can repeat the cycle 3 times. 3 times for a span of 1 hour. Alright? 3 times. Alright? So, do you understand how to do it now? It's very simple and it's easy, and I hope that it helps.
And single use.
Single use. Make sure this one, once you use it, you have to throw away, and you cannot use it on more than one patient. It is only for that particular patient. Yes, only for her. Not to be shared. Alright?